Okay, guys, we're on to the last section of properties of logarithms. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write them up here because we're going to need them. So I'm just going to write them up here so we can use them in this section. So we have the one that says log base a of x times y equals log base a of x plus log base a of y. Okay, and then we have log base a of m to the n that says n log base a of m. Ooh, that's kind of sloppy. And then we have the one that says log base a of I'm just going to use x and y again. X over y equals log base a of x minus log base a of y. So we're going to use those three properties, okay? So it says, given that log base a of 2 equals 0.431 and log base a of 3 equals 0.683, use the properties of logarithms to calculate a value for each of the following, if it is possible. If it's not possible, state so. So here we go. How can I read? So what have they given me? They've given me log base a of 2 and they've given me log base 2 of a of 2 equals this. And they've given me log base a of 3 is 0.683. So they've given me these two statements right here. And that's what I need to do. I need to write each of these in terms of 2 and 3. Okay? So can I rewrite 6 in terms of 2 and 3? Well, yeah, I can say log base a of 2 times 3. Is that not 6? Is that still equivalent? Yeah. So how can I rewrite times? Times is this rule right here. Times, yeah? So I can rewrite this as log base a of 2 plus log base a of 3. Okay? Do I know what log base a of 2 is? Well, yeah, I know log base a of 2 is 0.431. So that equals 0.431. And I know log base a of 3 is 0.683 plus 0.683. So then I want to put that into my calculator. If I can get to my calculator, that is. Sorry, I should have had it ready, but I didn't. You guys know me. I'm usually asking you guys to do this. So, 0.431 plus 0.683 is, so this equals 1.114, and that's my answer. So log base a of 6 is 1.114. Done. Okay. So we're going to go to the next one. Do I have to rewrite this one in terms of 2 and 3? No, it's already in terms of 2 and 3. So I'm just going to use the property. And which property am I going to use this time? Well, I'm going to use the division property. Okay. So I'm going to say log base a of 2 minus log base a of 3. So this time I'm going to say 0.431 minus 0.683. And I'm going to put that into my calculator. My calculator went away. 0.431 minus 0.683 is negative 2.52. And there's your answer. All right. Next, log of 81. Well, I have to write 81 in terms of 2 and 3. So my first question myself is going to be, does 2 go into 81? Well, no, because 81's not even. So 3's got to go into 81. So I'm just going to start factoring. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to say 81. And I'm going to factor. So that's 9 times 9. That's 3, 3, 3, 3. So I can rewrite this as log base A of 3 to the 4th power. So I'm going to use this rule on it. So that would give me 4 log base A of 3. And do I know what log base A of 3 is? Of course I do. It was given to me in the directions. So that means this equals 4 times 0.683. So, sorry, my phone keeps turning off. 4 times 0.683. Which I don't think is right. 4, sorry, I think 0.683. Oh, one more time. 4 times 0.683. Okay, that's better. 2.734. So that should be your answer, 2.734. I got that answer twice, so hopefully that's right. Okay, so now let's go down to the next one. This is log base A of 1 divided by 1/3. So it's a divide, so I'm going to use the property, the division one, that says log base A of 1 minus log base A of 3. Now you're going to say, oh, they didn't give me, I don't know what log base A of 1 is. But remember, I want to come over here and write this, log base A of 1. So what does this, oh, I can't even talk. What does this mean? This says A to what power equals 1? Well, A to what power equals 1? Who can remember what that is? Well, it would be 0. Remember, anything to the 0th power is 1. So A to the log base A to 1 is 0. Minus log base A of 3 is what? 0.683. So my answer is negative 0.683. So if I have something, I just want to say this. If I get anything, it doesn't matter what base it is, that says log base something of 1, the answer is always, always, and forever 0. Okay? So I have, let's see, a multiplication problem. So if it's multiplication, I'm going to use this one. So log base A of 2 plus log base A of A. Okay, well, log base A of 2 is 0.431. Oh, and we have that situation again. So this says log A of A. So A to what power equals A? Well, that should be 1. A to what power equals A to the first power? Well, that's A. So my answer should be 1.431. Okay. And the last problem says log base A of 5. So is there any way to rewrite 5 using terms of 2 and 3? Now, before you tell me 2 plus 3, because I know that 2 plus 3 is 5. Look at my rules right here that I gave you, that we've been talking about. Do any of these rules right here involve addition or subtraction? No, they all involve what? Multiplication or division. So is there any way to use 2 and 3 when I'm multiplying or dividing to get 5? No. So this one is not possible. If I have to use multiplication or division, it's not possible. None of my rules talk about multiplication and division. If I have one log, let me repeat this. If I have one log, I only have one. On this side over here, with one log, there's no addition and subtraction. Okay? So it's not possible. Now, if there was more than one log and there was an add in there, then I would be on the other side that has multiple logs. But if it's only one log, none of this side over here includes addition. So to get 5 using a 2 or a 3 is no way to do it with multiplication, because 2 times 3 is 6. No way to get 5. So it's not possible. And 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. So it's not possible. If you have any questions on that, please ask. I would be glad to help you out. Go ahead and finish the lesson. This is lesson 1 of this week. And remember, there will be a quiz on this. Hope you guys have a great day.